Hi everybody, it's Kevin from Sticks and Stones. I want to give a little update on the Marshmallow on a Stick challenge. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to have everybody come in, do the challenge, and I think I'll give you till like November 7th. All right, that way we get past Halloween and everything, because everyone's going to be doing other projects, I'm sure. I know I will be also. So we're going to set the date for November 7th. All right, and I want you to submit your photos to stixandstonescarvings@gmail.com. Okay, and I'm going to give away a chainsaw carving. Now what I might do, not the best marshmallow on a stick, but we'll draw names out of a hat. We'll see how many people we get. I know Just Carve Rob just mentioned it on his channel, so I have to do an update here because I just mentioned it. Now if you want to learn how to do it, thanks a lot too, Rob. I'm glad you're feeling better, buddy. If you haven't seen Rob or you haven't subscribed to him, go check him out. Also check out Jordy over there at Carve Infusion. I don't know what Jordy's up to. I want to see what he's doing. I just came back recently myself from being away for a while. But anyway, I want you guys to submit to stixandstonescarvings@gmail.com. Okay, you can send me your photos. And what we'll do November 7th is I'll go live and we'll pull names out of a hat and I'll give away a chainsaw carving. And I'll even do a video, and I'll make some things from now till then and get you guys input about which carving you want me to save to give away. Okay, so that's what we're going to do there. I did, if you haven't seen or you need ideas, I did put a video here on Sticks and Stones, okay, the way I made my marshmallow. All right, now you can do it any way you want. It can be any size you want. All right, it's not really going to matter because everybody's going to have a chance to win. So if you're a beginner, you know, you can look at that video and refer to it, even if you're on the other channel and you're just starting, okay? And advanced people too, all right? Definitely go over and check out Kevin's Carvings. That's the name of the beginner site. I'm going to start doing a lot more over there also. And we're going to be doing knife work this week, and we're going to try and make a new carving for that channel. Definitely going to be doing a lot of drawing and expressions, so check out both channels for that. And you can always refer to my featured channel section down below, and I also have a drawing channel down there. I'm going to be putting drawings on that. So there's going to be a lot of drawing, a lot of action going on between all three channels. So definitely like, subscribe, come join in the fun. All right, I'll see everybody in a little bit, and we'll be doing a new carving on this channel. See you later.